This drug is Vrikshamla or Kokam or Punarpuli, what we say. Vrikshamla is Garcinia indica from the family Clausiaceae. And let us see how we can identify this plant in the field. See this, if we observe the stem is straight and branches are horizontal. Branches are horizontal so that the branches are perpendicular, right. So, this branches are horizontal, stem is straight, a perpendicular nature. So, how from the far itself we can identify this plant. And the next thing is that this leaves are fleshy, the leaves are fleshy, and if we taste this leaf, it will be sour in taste. If we taste this leaf, it will be sour in taste. And see, it will be a tree, a big tree, and branches horizontal, and then leaves simple, opposite, and it is elliptic lanceolate. See that the leaf is broad at its middle and is gradually tapered towards both the ends. So, that is called as elliptic. So, leaf is elliptic lanceolate, lamina or the leaf is elliptic lanceolate, and it is acute, the tip is acute, suddenly ended. So, acute. So, the flowers will be small, white and greenish white, we can say it as greenish white, and fruit is globose and it is not furrowed, means a smooth globose or a round fruit will be there. In that fleshy fruit there will be 5 to 8 seeds which is compressed and which will be embedded in the pulp itself. Okay. This is the fruit of Vrikshamla, that is Garcinia indica. See that the fruit is globose, the fruit is globose, that is round, and there is no furrows or striations on the fruit, and if the fruit is unripened we can find it as green. When it is ripened it will be reddish or dark reddish, we can say. And again it will comprises some 6 to 8 seeds which are compressed and it will be embedded in the fruit itself. Here this Vrikshamla, when I say this Vrikshamla, I need to tell you about little things about Amla. You know that Amla Rasa is very good Vrudya. All the Vrudya Dashemani comprises of Amla Rasa Dravya, and you know in the Rasa Shastra almost all Dravyas, Shodhana and Marana is done with the Amla Rasa Dravya. Why that? They have a mass breaking property or Bhedana action. That is, Amla Rasa have a mass breaking property or the Bhedana action. So, that is why another drug in the same genus, that is Amlavetasa. When Charaka says about this drug, he says Amlavetaso Bhedaniya Deepaniya Anulomika Vatashleshmaharanam. So, the best Bhedaniya drug. So, this Bhedaniya action I will explain you with one small practical thing, that the dry fruits of Vrikshamla and Amlavetasa had put in water, and 4-5 eggs had been put, and it has been boiled for a while. You know that, all of you know that the eggs shells can't be dissolved, eggshell can't be dissolved, but the eggshell can be dissolved after 15 to 20 minutes of boiling with the Vrikshamla and Amlavetasa fruiting. So, that much Bhedaniya action is there. So, because of this Bhedaniya action only, Amlavetasa or the Vrikshamla acts as a Hrudya, means it clears the atherosclerosis, it clears the arteries and veins. So, it acts as Hrudya. So, how it acts as Hrudya? Because of its Bhedaniya action. And when we have know this thing that it has a breaking capacity, even the shells can be, eggshells can be dissolved, you should be caution enough that it should not be given for a longer duration to the people who have osteoporosis. So, just take a caution that it should not be given for a longer duration to a people who are with the osteoporosis. See, there are few other points in identifying this Vrikshamla. I'll tell you. See that the tender leaves of Vrikshamla will be very much reddish in shape. After it gets matured, it will become greenish, but the tender leaves are red in color. So this is also one character in identifying Vrikshamla, that is Garcinia indica. One more point in identifying Vrikshamla, if we flip the bark of Vrikshamla, that is Garcinia indica, you can see this yellowish latex. It is oozing out. The whole bark is becoming yellowish, and this means when we cut even the leaves also, that yellowish latex will come, but that is not much appreciable. So if we take this or flip this bark like this, we can find this yellowish latex. This is one more point to identify Garcinia indica. And I told you this Vrikshamla is so much that fruit is a main useful part. However, bark is also used, but fruit is the main useful part, and that is so amla and having so much Bedaniya action. It is used in Gulma and Udara mainly to have that Bedana action. Means in case of tumors, this have a very good efficacy.